Structure. Structure means different data types stored in a single variable name, whereas arrays are stored same data type. For example, in an A of 5, I can able to store only all the integer data type, right? So all the data inside the array should be same data type, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whereas structure is store different data types in a single variable name. It's also called as an heterogeneous, different. Okay, the syntax for structure is struct. So this is a keyword we have to use, and structure name, this is nothing but any variable name. So struct is a keyword, and then structure name, you can give any variable name, and inside this data type variable 1, data type variable 2, whatever the data type you can want to create, you can create it. For example, I am creating a structure for student, struct student. So inside the student, what I am going to use, integer, student number, character, student name, float, mark. So different data types, everything is different data type stored in a single variable name, that is called as a structure. So in a student, the memory location is, so it is a int, s number, and character, student name, and float, mark. So different data types stored in a single variable name is called as a structure. So how to define the structure and how to access the structure variables inside the main. Okay, so here accessing the structure in main. So first you have to define the structure, struct stud, int stud number, character, student name, and float, mark, right? So now you have to get the value, assign the value for the structure for the student, right? So inside the void main you have to create the same thing, struct student. This is called as an object. So you are creating an object for this structure student, and using this object I can able to access the structure members. This is all called members of the structure. This is called members. Inside the variable whatever you are declaring, that's called members. So then s1 dot student number. So using this object, dot student number equal to 34, and s1 dot student name equal to Akshara, s1 dot mark equal to 99.1. So this is how we can access the structure variables. So how can you access? Using the dot operator. This is also one interview question. Dot. This is a member access operator used to access the structure variable. Dot is a member access operator. Using this dot only, we are accessing the members of the structure, right? So this is used to access the structure in C.